My name's Kieren. I'm an electrical trainer as well as a licensed electrician. And I started out when I was younger. So I started out when I was in year 11. I went to a trade school. I actually come to this school and it was convenient because I lived up the road. And I didn't have a clear path. Pretty much I wasn't going to go to university. And I had some friends that wanted to do trades, and then this is what they actually offered. So that's how I started out. And I started, come here and got my year 12 certificate and my trade. And just kind of stuck with it. I guess the interaction, it's a lot more tailored towards individual. If you're struggling, they can help and all that. I remember others maybe not so much at other schools and stuff, but here actually if you need help, everyone's individual to be tailored and stuff like that. I went to a private one at the start, and then I did go to when I was younger, and it was quite difficult. They lost transcripts and identification and kind of had to redo units. But then when I had come to STC, it was quite easy. Go in, present everything, all right, this is what you got to do, get it done, and then you can get your license and that. One's obviously a job, a licensed job. It's you're guaranteed. As soon as you leave anywhere, with that license, you can get a job pretty much the next day. And with the industry being how it is, not so great at the moment, or if there's any tough times, the trades do, if you have the license, you're guaranteed to get work. You get a house, go on holidays, have family. They always need electricians. It's never gonna go out of phase. No, not yet. Well, realistically, the electricians build the robots and we maintain them, so. I chose electrical because that's what was, at the moment, that was offered. And they always say electricians earn the most money. And depending on the industry that you choose, once you get the license and you go out and you pick what you want, then you make that money. Our usual day, we come in, we sit down, kind of chat about what they did at work, a bit of a recap, if there's any, especially their experiences, because that's what the guys, they like talking about. They might not be the best in class or that, but if you get them engaged with, on the job, their experiences, then you can go through and say, oh yeah, I did this, because I work in the electrical as well, it's my second job. So I do it as well. You can actually kind of engage with them better and talk to them about, do our learning, do pracs, everything, recap at the end, and so on. The books only teach so much. They do teach what's legal and what's not, and what you should do and shouldn't. But to have the experience, to be able to go out there and do the job, then they get the benefit, because you can give them advice and you can understand, you can connect with them better in that.